What are you doing?
Well, looking out for George Washington.
Looking out for who?
George Washington.
Oh.
So a soldier has to be careful. A soldier is really tough. But now, here.
Do you see George Washington anywhere?
Not yet. George Washington is tricky. Hey, well, that way. I have to find a way to get back up there. Oh, I'll take that down. Aha! I found George Washington. I got it. Alright, now I'm watching out for George. I'm watching out for Barack Obama.
Okay.
So he must be up a rock. Now, can you help me find Barack Obama?
Oh, I'm sure. That's okay.
I'll help you. So look out for George Washington. He's even trickier.
Oh, okay.
Hey, wait. Daddy and Finny are Barack Obama.
Okay.
Now let's go find that Barack Obama.
Okay.
We gotta find Barack Obama. So it's a long house to get to Barack Obama, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hey.